In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit. Zoho Books. A vendor credit is what you record when a supplier gives you a refund, a price adjustment, or accepts a return. It reduces what you owe them and keeps your payables accurate. Creating one in Zoho Books is quick, and I'll walk you through the process with some helpful tips along the way. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to your dashboard. Look to the top right of the screen for the plus icon. This is the quick create menu for transactions. Click the plus icon, then choose vendor credits from the list. If you don't see this option, you may need permission from your admin or to switch to an organization with purchases enabled. Once the vendor credit form opens, fill in the core details. Select the vendor from your existing vendor list. If the vendor is already set up with the correct currency and tax settings, those will populate automatically, which helps prevent mistakes. Enter the date of the credit and add a credit note number if you're tracking these internally or matching a document provided by your vendor. You can also add a reference or memo so anyone reviewing the record later understands why the credit was issued. Think returned goods, pricing adjustment, or damaged items. Next, add the line details. You can record item-based credits or account-based credits depending on how you track purchases. For item lines, choose the product or service, set the quantity being credited, the rate, and any applicable taxes. For account lines, choose the expense or cost of goods account that needs to be reduced, then enter the amount and tax if required. Use the description field to capture context, such as lot numbers or return authorization details. If you have supporting documents, like a vendor credit memo or email confirmation, attach them here so everything stays organized in one place. Before saving, double-check the totals. Make sure the subtotal, tax, and grand total reflect the exact credit the vendor has issued. If you operate in multiple currencies, confirm the currency and exchange rate are correct. A quick review now helps avoid reconciliation headaches later. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will create the vendor credit and add it to your records. From there, you'll be able to reference it in reports and apply it to future bills from the same vendor when appropriate. And that's all it takes. You've just created a vendor credit in Zoho Books quickly, accurately, and with all the details you'll need for smooth bookkeeping.